Flipping sneakers or buying and reselling sneakers for a profit has become a popular way to make money in recent years. With the rise of limited edition and exclusive releases, the sneaker resale market has exploded, with some shoes selling for hundreds or even thousands of dollars above their retail price. In this video, we'll show you 5 steps to get started and make money. Step number 1. Educate yourself. Sneaker culture has become more than just a fashion statement. It has evolved into a multi-billion-dollar industry that attracts both enthusiasts and investors. However, flipping sneakers is not an easy task. To become successful, you need to educate yourself on all aspects of the sneaker market. One of the first things to do is to learn about the history of sneakers. The sneaker industry has come a long way since the first rubber-soled shoe was created by the U.S. Rubber Company in the late 1800s. From basketball shoes to running shoes, each type of sneaker has a unique history that you can learn about. Furthermore, it's important to be familiar with different brands and styles that are popular among collectors. While big names like Nike and Adidas are common, there are also lesser-known brands that have their own niche markets. By familiarizing yourself with different brands and styles, you can make informed buying decisions and know which sneakers are worth investing in. Staying up to date on the latest releases and upcoming drops is also critical. The sneaker industry moves fast, and you need to be in the know to stay ahead of the game. Knowing when a limited edition shoe is going to drop or when a restock is going to happen can give you an edge in the market. Another important aspect of the sneaker market to keep up with is the trends in the resale market. Understanding what factors affect prices, such as supply and demand, hype, and exclusivity, can help you make better decisions when buying and selling sneakers. To stay on top of all of these factors, it's recommended to follow sneaker blogs and social media accounts. There are plenty of blogs, websites, and influencers who are dedicated to sneaker news, updates, and trends. They provide valuable insights and analysis that can help you make better decisions as a sneaker reseller. Finally, joining online communities of sneaker enthusiasts can help you stay informed, build relationships, and gain a reputation as a trusted reseller. There are numerous groups and forums online where you can connect with other collectors and resellers, share information, and get advice from more experienced members. To get started in sneaker flipping, the most important thing is to learn about sneakers. You should keep up with the latest sneaker releases, trends, and popular styles. It's also a good idea to make friends with other people who are into sneakers. If you do all of this, you'll be ready to make some money by reselling sneakers. Step number 2. Research and find deals. One of the most important aspects of flipping sneakers is finding good deals. As you start to delve deeper into the world of sneakers, you will discover that there are many ways to find great deals on sneakers. And with a little bit of effort, you can make a good profit. Here are some tips to help you research and find deals on sneakers. Know what's in demand. Before you start looking for deals, you need to have a good understanding of what's in demand. This will help you identify the sneakers that are worth investing in. Keep an eye on upcoming releases and check out online forums and social media to see what people are talking about. Use price tracking tools. There are many price tracking tools available that can help you find good deals. Some popular options include StockX, Go8, and eBay. These websites allow you to track the prices of sneakers over time, so you can see if the price is going up or down. Set up alerts. Setting up alerts is a great way to stay informed about the latest sneaker drops and restocks. Google Alerts and Twitter bots are 2 popular options that can help you stay on top of the latest news. Check physical stores. While online retailers are convenient, physical stores can sometimes have great deals on sneakers. Visit your local sneaker stores and outlets, and keep an eye out for clearance sales and limited time promotions. Build relationships with resellers. Networking is key in the sneaker game. As you start to build your business, make connections with other resellers and collectors. They may be able to help you find good deals or give you insider information on upcoming releases. So, to sum up, snagging sweet deals is super important when it comes to flipping sneakers. Keep yourself in the loop by staying on top of the latest releases, using tools that track prices and send you alerts, checking out physical stores, and networking with other resellers. It might take some time and energy to find the best deals, but if you keep at it, you can totally make some cash by flipping kicks. Practice makes perfect, and with a little persistence, you'll be a pro in no time. Step number 3. Build your network. In the world of sneaker flipping, building a network of connections is crucial to success. By networking, you can gain access to insider information about upcoming releases, find good deals on limited edition sneakers, and establish a reputation as a trusted reseller. One way to build your network is to attend sneaker conventions and events. These events bring together sneaker enthusiasts from all over the world and can be a great way to meet people who share your passion for sneakers. You can also meet collectors and resellers who may have valuable information about the sneaker market or tips for finding good deals. Another way to build your network is to join online communities of sneaker enthusiasts. There are countless Facebook groups, subreddits, and forums dedicated to sneaker culture and reselling. By participating in discussions and sharing your knowledge and expertise, you can build relationships with other members and gain valuable insights into the sneaker market. Social media platforms like Instagram and Twitter are also great places to connect with other collectors and resellers. You can follow popular sneaker accounts and engage with their posts, or search for specific hashtags related to sneaker culture. By talking to other users and building relationships, you can get access to exclusive information and find new ways to buy and sell sneakers. As you build your network, it's important to be genuine and authentic in your interactions. Don't approach others solely for the purpose of making a sale or getting insider information. Instead, focus on building meaningful relationships with other members of the sneaker community. By establishing yourself as a trusted and reliable member of the community, you'll be more likely to find success in the world of sneaker flipping. So to sum up, making connections is super important if you want to flip sneakers. Going to events, chatting with folks online, and reaching out to people on social media can help you learn about deals and insider info, and also help you get a rep as a trustworthy seller. Just be yourself and be genuine when you're making these connections, and you'll be off to a great start in the world of sneaker flipping. Step number 4. Know your customer. In the sneaker flipping game, it's not just about buying and selling sneakers for profit. It's about knowing your customer. Understanding the people you're selling to is crucial to making informed buying decisions and building a successful business. Different sneakers will appeal to different buyers, and there are a variety of factors that can impact what your customers want. For example, age can play a significant role in sneaker preference. Younger buyers may be drawn to trendy fashion-forward designs, while older customers may prioritize comfort and practicality. Gender is another important factor to consider when choosing which sneakers to invest in. Men's and women's styles can vary greatly, and understanding the differences can help you tailor your offerings to specific audiences. Additionally, some sneakers may have a unisex appeal, which can expand your potential customer base. Location is another key consideration when flipping sneakers. Regional differences in style and culture can impact what types of sneakers are in demand in different areas. For example, customers in a coastal city may be more interested in sneakers with a beachy or nautical vibe, while customers in a large metropolitan area may be looking for high-end designer collaborations. Finally, style preferences are perhaps the most important factor to consider when choosing which sneakers to invest in. Different customers have different tastes, and understanding what's popular in the sneaker world is essential to making informed buying decisions. Keeping up with sneaker trends and staying informed about upcoming releases can give you an edge when it comes to choosing which sneakers to buy and sell. Knowing your customer comes down to doing your homework and staying up to date. Check out social media and online sneaker groups to see what's trending, and be ready to adjust your purchases based on what you discover. If you keep tabs on what your customers like, you can make a name for yourself as a reliable and accomplished sneaker flipper and create a devoted following. Step number 5. Price strategically. When it comes to flipping sneakers, one of the most important steps is pricing your products strategically. There's a delicate balance between pricing your sneakers high enough to make a profit and not pricing them so high that they sit on the market for months without selling. Finding this balance requires careful consideration of various factors, such as the current market value, shipping costs, fees, and your own profit margin. One of the best ways to price your sneakers is by looking at similar listings on resale sites. These sites, such as StockUs and GoEat, allow you to see what other sellers are charging for the same product. By analyzing these listings, you can get a good idea of what the current market value is for your sneakers. But keep in mind that sneaker prices can change quickly, so you should always be on the lookout and change your prices accordingly. Another factor to consider when pricing your sneakers is shipping costs. Depending on the weight and size of the box, shipping fees can quickly add up and eat into your profit margin. Be sure to factor in these costs when setting your price. You can also offer free shipping to attract more buyers, but be sure to consider the impact it will have on your profits. In addition to shipping costs, you should also factor in fees when pricing your sneakers. Online marketplaces like eBay and StockUs charge fees for every sale made on their platforms. These fees can range from 3% to 10% of the sale price, depending on the site. Be sure to account for these fees when pricing your products so that you don't end up losing money. It's important to set a profit margin that works for you. Consider how much you pay for the sneakers, as well as the time and effort you put into finding and buying them. Set a price that allows you to make a profit, but be careful not to get too greedy. If your prices are too high, buyers may go elsewhere for a better deal. The sneaker market can be unpredictable, so it's important to be flexible with your pricing strategy. If your sneakers aren't selling, it may be time to lower your prices. On the other hand, if your sneakers are in high demand, you may be able to raise your prices to make a larger profit. It's really important to price your sneakers wisely if you want to make money flipping them. You can do this by checking what other sellers are charging, thinking about shipping costs and fees, and setting a price that gives you a good profit. You should also be willing to change your prices depending on what's going on in the market. All of this will help you get the most profit while still making your sneakers attractive to buyers. Just remember to stay flexible and keep up with the latest trends in the sneaker world. Thanks for tuning in to learn about flipping sneakers. With the right knowledge and skills, flipping sneakers can be a great way to turn your passion for footwear into a profitable business. By following the steps we've outlined, you can build your network, identify the right customers, and price your products strategically to make the most of your investment. So why not give it a try? With a little hard work and dedication, you could turn your love of sneakers into a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time career. Thanks again for watching, and happy flipping!